In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove a database's username in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, there is the Databases option. Click to go to the Databases interface. Go and click the User Management option. Here are the database users that we have created earlier. First, click to check the box for the username you wish to remove, and then click on the Remove button and proceed. Success! The selected database username has been removed. Now you know how to remove a database username. Thank you for watching.